What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. Today we're going to be photographing products, toys, action figures using a monitor as our backdrop. The possibilities are endless when you're using a monitor because you can actually find digital pictures on the computer, Google it, stocking photography, motion videos that you can look on your background. So I think this is going to be very beneficial as opposed to using a regular backdrop that sometimes are a little expensive and time consuming when you have to change them all the time. So very beneficial to use I guess we can say a digital backdrop. All right, so moving on, I want to go ahead and show you the equipment that I'll be using for today's shoot. First of all, my camera. I'm using the Canon EOS R along with my 24-70 2.8 Canon glass. This is my bread and butter here for my YouTube channel. I will have to say I shoot 95% of the time with my Canon EOS R, and I will say the 5% with my Sony a7 III, which I'm using right now for this video. Also, I'm going to be using this standing table. I did a review on this table maybe about a few months ago. The best investment that I have made here for my personal business and also for my YouTube video, because it allows me to change the way I work. I can be sitting for a little bit and then I can be standing, and it helps a lot, especially health-wise, especially for my knees and my legs. So we will be using this table, and also I'm going to be using some backdrops from Ink and Elm. Backdrops for product photography, for food photography, so that way we can change out maybe the layout of our table. Also, I'm using this stand, light stand with the boom flag holder. This is going to be for a backup just in case our main light spills some light on the monitor. We can use a foam board like this that you can get at Dollar Tree or anywhere, Walmart, Target, you mention it. So we're going to use this in case we have some light leaking to our monitor. Obviously, we're going to be using our monitor here. This is a Samsung. The cool thing about this Samsung monitor is that it has a matte finish surface screen as opposed to the gloss, which is something that I will recommend because you don't have to worry about reflecting yourself on the screen or maybe reflecting light. Even though you will get some reflection, but it won't be as bad as a gloss screen. And obviously I have my monitor connected to my laptop where I'm gonna be uploading and changing different backdrops, digital backdrop, backgrounds, pictures. The possibilities again are endless. The other thing is gonna be the my key light. I'm gonna be using the, let me show you. I'm going to be using this light, which is the Felsitan 5000L. I did a review on this one as well. Cool thing about this particular light is that it comes with the softbox, which is really nice. So I'm going to try to stay away from my main light, which is the Godox SL60, if I'm not mistaken. The light is really big, and since I'm going to be working with small products, I want to work with a smaller source light. Not too small to the point where it's going to have a harsh light. I want to keep it where it's medium, I guess the size of this light right here, where it keeps the shadows soft and neat. So again, the cool thing about this light also is that I can control this with my phone. So it makes it much easier. And I'm going to be using this along with my C-stand so that we can adjust the light, which I think we're going to need because I know it will reflect a little bit of light on the monitor. And with the C-stand, I'll be able to control and move the light so that way we don't have a reflection on the monitor. And last, I'm going to be using my Lume Cube Panel Pro. Two of these. The cool thing about this one is that I had the barn door, so that way we can control light and it doesn't spill on the monitor. So I can also control these with my phone, and these are bottle colors, so I can change them from all the way to, I believe it's 2600 Kelvin or 3000 Kelvin, all the way to 5600 Kelvin, which is really nice. And the RGB, if I want to get creative, I can do that as well. All right, so here's the figure that we're going to be using today. This is Link from Figma. This is from the game The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. We may end up using other products here from the studio, or we may not, so we'll see what happens. So other than that, without further ado, let's go ahead and set up our setup for today, and we'll start taking pictures. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Michael. If you are enjoying this video, can you do me a favor? Can you hit that like button? It actually helps me out a lot here with the YouTube algorithm. And if you like the content I'm producing here, you're welcome to subscribe. If you do subscribe, make sure to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my video. And if you are on Instagram, you can follow me at michaels.collectibles. And now back to the video. Alright guys, and that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, or if you did learn something from this video, if you can do me a favor, if you can hit that like button, it helps me a lot here with the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to write me below in the comments. I would love to answer your questions. Also, if you like the content I'm producing here, don't forget to subscribe. If you do subscribe here to this channel, make sure to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my videos. Other than that, guys, I will try to see you next week. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.